Hey beauties, welcome back. Hope you all are doing good. So looking at the subtitle and this blush, you must have got an idea that what I'm going to do again. So today yet again I'm going to do sunset blush look. Last time when I did it, it didn't came out so good, so I thought to try it, and this time I'm trying with a twist. The twist is this yellow blush, and this blush has a yellow particles, shimmery yellow particles in it. And when I was giving it a try, it came out very nicely, so I thought to record it. So this combination orange pink along with the yellow blush is actually giving a sunset vibe over the cheeks. And you guys, please let me know if what do you think about it. I got this yellow blush last year in November. By looking at the packaging and the color, I thought it might be some pH thing that while applying, after applying, it may change the color, but it didn't change the color. And from that time I was thinking this is a waste of money, where I will use it. I am not going to use it anywhere. But finally I got an idea. This originally I saw one of the beauty content creator on Instagram. She was doing with some yellow blush, and then I thought, okay, I have yellow blush with this shimmer effect, and that might come out very nice. So let's give it a try. And I loved how it actually came out. So let me know in the comment what do you think about this. And thanks for watching the video. Thank you.